Welcome back to another video. This video, I'm going to be doing a short presentation about Kaggle. So, what is Kaggle? It's an online platform for data science and machine learning. And it's helpful because they provide data sets, competitions, notebooks in Jupyter, and courses and learning resources. And there's a big community which helps with collaboration and stuff. So, why do we use it? There's free learning resources. You can get hands-on practice with real-world data sets. You can participate in competitions to solve real-world problems and showcase your skills through public notebooks. You can also host competitions to crowdsource solutions, and you can also access a large pool of data science talent. So the key features, there are over 50,000 public data sets categorized by domain. For example, like healthcare, finance, sports, etc. And that helps you like narrow down the data sets that are relevant to your project or your topic of interest. There's cloud-based Jupyter notebooks, and they offer free GPU and TPU support. There are free beginner-friendly courses on Python, machine learning, and other topics. There are competitions that you can join, and you can learn from the top performing solution. And since there's a big community who uses it, you can discuss, share, and collaborate with other people. So let's get started. So first, we're just going to go to Kaggle, and you can create an account, and it should be pretty easy, just like your email and stuff. So as you can see, there are like short courses that you can take, or like small. This is just like introduction videos, or yeah. And there are competitions that you can join, and there are so many. Some of them have prizes and stuff. But one very important thing is that you can explore data sets here. So here are some trending data sets, and then a lot of them are always categorized by topic. So you can see arts and entertainment, biology, social science, vehicles, investing, social networks. There's a lot to choose from, and you can search here if you want. So let's just go to any data set. And what's cool is that you can like open this data set in your own notebook. So if you click code, you can click create a notebook, and it'll already have this data set installed in the notebook. So you can go ahead and run this out. And as you can see on the right-hand side, there's an input and an output. So for input, we have the data set that we selected, the most popular 1,000 YouTube videos. So you can create a data frame for that, CSV. And then you can click here and click on the CSV file, and then it'll kind of show you a preview. And here's the file path, and you can copy that. And we'll exit and paste it into here. And then we'll just do that. And then you can see we got the data set as a data frame here. And you can also import your own data set. So if you go to input and you go upload, you can select new data set. Okay, and I'm just gonna drag and drop a file from my computer. And it's called Strava. This is just Google search data for Strava in New York. And I'm gonna click create, so I just put title for it. I'm gonna take a second to process. And you can see here, it says it's ready to use. It should say that. Yeah, it's ready to use. And then just do the same thing. wpd.read. And then I'll copy this. Oh, and I'll make a data frame so you can see. Oh yeah. And then another thing you can also do is that for the output, you can see we have nothing yet, but you can create your own CSV file. So let's go to our previous data set. And let's say I want to take a couple of columns, like I'll do video and video views. I'm gonna do two CSV and name it. I'll do new CSV. And then we can go ahead and run that. And in a moment, it will show up in the output folder. So you can see we have new CSV here. And then you can click that and you can download it to your computer if you want. So you can export a new CSV file. And so with these notebooks, they're basically just like a regular Jupyter notebook. You can share them if you want. So right now it's private. You can make it public if you'd like. And so when you make it public, other people can see it. So if you go here in Kaggle to code, you can see that there's a lot of public notebooks that you can use and take a look at. So these are notebooks that other people have made, and you can pretty much just look at their code and like you can change anything that you would like, but you can basically fork their notebook by clicking copy and edit. And basically you can do whatever you want with their code and experiment with it and add or delete anything you would like without affecting their code. And similarly, if you go to models, there are lots of pre-trained models here that you can experiment with and use. And basically you can run tests with your own data sets with these models because they're already pre-trained, so you don't have to go through the training and stuff like that, but you can still fine-tune them however you would like. Because similarly with the code, you can open your notebook with it and use it however you like. And most of them will contain a lot of information about the model, so you can take a look there and use that however you see fit. Also, if you go to discussions, there's a lot of users are on this website, so there's a lot of things that you can find and like questions, solutions and stuff. And then if you go to learn, there's lots of free courses such as like intro to programming, Python, machine learning and stuff that you can take. And basically they just want to make data science and stuff like that accessible to as many people as possible. So it's a really good learning tool and it's really good for collaboration as well. But yeah, I hope that helps. Good luck with everything and thank you.